Crypto market update, guys. Let's dive in. The global cryptocurrency market has experienced some fluctuation recently. Earlier in February, the market was reported at around $3.23 trillion on February 16th, with a slight dip of 0.35% in the prior 24 hours. Bitcoin, as you know, the leading cryptocurrency, was trading at approximately $97,000 on February 16th, reflecting a modest decline of 0.50%. Since then, the market sentiment and price have shifted a little bit. So you see the market is kind of flat and yes, it may have shifted from there. Bitcoin has been like a focal point with its price hovering below $100,000 max after briefly surpassing it earlier in 2025. Analysts note that the BTC volatility has been relatively contained this year compared to altcoins, which have seen heaviest decline, indicating a market characterized by bifurcations. This suggests Bitcoin remains strong relative to the broader altcoin space, potentially setting to the stage for a bullish momentum shift forecasted for mid-March or April 2025. So time will tell, but it seems to be the case where we had a lot of things happening from Bitcoin jumping straight to meme coins, and then a big wrecked event from altcoins and meme coins. Meme coins kind of almost lose 90% of their value. So time will tell, but yes, we may have some narrative coming from mid-March, mid-April. So let's continue. Altcoins have shown mixed performance. For instance, Ethereum has underperformed compared to Bitcoins, with earlier reports showing a decline of 8% in January. Trading around $3,600 on January, Solana and XRP have seen gains earlier in the year, with Sol up to 24% and XRP surging almost to 47%, in outperforming BTC and Ethereum recently due to the grayscale feeling for a spot ETF in the US, as noted earlier in February, and you see in my video as well. So yes, we had this very bullish little time frame, in Solana with the bullishness with meme coins, and then totally been wrecked from let's call mid-January all the way down to February. So it went very, very fast. And we have as well XRP that's surging 47%, outperforming BTC and ETH. So this is huge, guys. So we just need to pay attention what the next narrative is going to be. Stablecoins like USDT and USD remain highly liquid, but are viewed by some industry leaders as poorly positioned for the future. A recent statement, highly liquid. So yes, just on that note, guys, stablecoins are very important, so all the time we need to follow on chain, when we have USDT or USDC printing when they come out of exchange or when they're coming in from exchange. We had a lot of FUD from USDT that I think they were trying to get delisted from the European, with the MiCA regulations in Europe, and Kraken and other exchange I think start to or would like to. I have to double check on this. But you get the point. So you have a bit of averageness, on the sentiment of stablecoins. But remember, USDT and USDC are kind of US dollar backed. So the US gonna do everything in their power to keep the dollar as the strongest currency. Okay, let's continue. So a recent statement from a Yellow Card CEO on February 19 suggests a major market shift could occur within the 12 to 18 months, potentially affecting stablecoin dominance. Yes, so that's why we need to pay attention of the dominance in this market, and Bitcoin as well. Market drivers include institutional adoptions, with Bitcoin ETF continuing to see interest, and macroeconomic factors like US economy, policies under the Trump administration, that is very bullish as well, which may lower treasury yield and favor BTC. However, concern about tariff and regulatory uncertainty could temper speculative inflow. Yes, this is true. With the trade war, with the Mexico, Canada, you have the Panama, and as well a few news coming from Asia and China as well. It put a bit of and I feel it's a bit too much political, we had those celebrity coins that's affecting drastically the market, sucked all the liquidity. Trump coins. We have the Argentina from Javier Milei. So yes, not great at all, but time will tell, guys. The market always gonna shift it, and technology has always one step ahead. So we are decentralized, so we kind of deciding, where is gonna be the next narrative, and we just need to pay attention on those details. Okay, let's continue. Overall, the crypto market today appears to be in a consolidation phase, with Bitcoin holding steadily. That has been very strong and wrecked many people in their strategy. Altcoins showing divergence and emerging trends like AI-related tokens and meme coins gaining traction. Yes, job not finished, guys. We are not done, guys. For the most precise real-time data, I would recommend checking live crypto tracker live, like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. As the market moves fast, and anything specific would like me to dig into in the further, just let me know. So like I say, I do same as usual, like market update. I do all the news that you can find on my channel, TikTok, YouTube. I would like to do as well some bit of chart analysis, same as usual. I used to do a bit in the past, so I will include it like that. We can sometimes have a better understanding about like the Bitcoin dominance. We can track the USDT in and out, and maybe some on-chain data that no matter what the fundamental news, we can see what's happening behind the scenes. So on that note, guys, that's the update of today on this 19th of February. And talk to you soon. I'm gonna do a live stream this evening. Alright, guys. Talk to you soon. Goodbye.